30 people are homeless this Christmas following a massive fire in downtown Kingston today. Their 10-bedroom dwelling was engulfed in flames on Love Lane. A TVJ team was passing the location as the fire spread. Giovanni Dennis has the tale.
The image of hell portrayed in movies and Bible stories often looks something like this. And that's exactly what it felt like for these people frantically scampering to save anything from this blaze. This is Love Lane, downtown Kingston, in the vicinity of Charles and Church Streets. Moments before, residents saw smoke coming from this dwelling and started to evacuate. Within seconds, the building was engulfed. A little later, firefighters arrived. Police tried to control the crowd and divert traffic. This woman lived in one of the destroyed dwellings. So too this woman and her mother.
I'm see the fire. I'm see a regular thing him do that and light fire. And they're gonna toll the fire and what mother think them. But now I'm not mother alone. Mother alone. Just tell them I want to some man youth. Someone they know me have a man just by a thing them and just start a pillar business. I see everything gone down the jail now. Nothing I live never close me now. I want everything gone.
Another resident who requested to be off camera told us her son and two nieces were severely affected.
Everything lost. Me I go and go help my drop I go and run and duck them off and duck me with water because I faint. And them said the man light over me at a bone copper and he leave it and he spread. 3 house, 3 family in 1 yard lose everything.
Deputy Superintendent of the Jamaica Fire Brigade, Emilia Ibanks, says several persons are now homeless.
Actually 30 persons who are homeless. The dwelling, it's a 10-bedroom dwelling house. The fire has been under control for about an hour now based on the reports I got. So maybe it's just cooling down operations that are still taking place, but the firefighters are still on location and the investigators are en route. We haven't gotten any reports of loss of life or injuries and no hospitalization, so that is the good news.
Loss is estimated at $10 million. Firefighters say it's not exactly clear how the fire started. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.